This part is our syrup cooker, candy cooker. This part, this part is our candy depositor. Okay, let's us to introduce this part. This is the melting or sugar heating or melting syrup. This part melting and sugar stir. This part, two part is for this one. Okay, the heater is here. Heater is here. Here, heater is here, and the sugar stir is this part. Okay, and then you can see this part has two temperature. One is the heating temperature sugar, and syrup temperature is different. This is oil temperature. Okay, this is the syrup temperature. Okay, we have two sensor inside the tank, and then this is a vacuum pump. It's for our cooker vacuum pump. Okay, this is the uh, cooker. Oh, sorry. This is the cooker heating. Cooker heating. Sugar stir. This two part, the cooker part. This one is the the story tank stir part. Okay, this is the story tank heating. Okay, story tank the transfer oil transfer pump. Oil transfer pump is this part, this one, this one. Mm. Okay. We call okay. This is two speed. Okay, you can see two speed. This one is the conveyor speed regulation. This is as part is actually it is for pump. Okay, for transfer pump. This transfer pump. Okay, and this one is discharge pump. Discharge pump is this one. This one. The from cooker to depositor. Okay, let me tell you how to operate. Firstly, we have to start the heating. Start the heating syrup and sugar stir. It is for this melting sugar tank. And then we put all material into the tank, sugar, pectin, or glucose into the tank and mixing until 116. 16. You can see this temperature. This temperature you can set it into 116. When the temperature reach 116, and then okay, turn on the vacuum pump. When you turn on, okay, um, before you operate all parts, you have to open the pump, the oil transfer pump, and the heating part, the storage tank heating, because all oil, this is oil, huh? Inside is oil water. Inside, before you operate all machine, you have to keep it turn on, and heater, this part, this heater, we have to turn on this heater. So when you heat the oil and turn on the pump, and then these two parts, and then the oil will flow with high temperature and the pipe the pipe be warm. This is very important because if the pipe is not warm, is not hot, then the syrup will stuck, become solid, stuck here. Okay, okay. These two very important. You have to turn on these two parts before operating machine, and then operating melting tank, operating and turn on the stir part until the temperature be 116. After that, after reach the 116, you open the turn on this pump, vacuum pump, and then in the same time you have to turn on the heater, the cooker heater, cooker, okay, and then turn on the cooker stir, okay, and this it means this cooker now it's cook the syrup and it suck the water through the vacuum pump because you already turn on the vacuum pump. Okay, then after the syrup reach 85, okay, 85, around 85 or 80, then and this part, this vacuum meter is here it's 0.01, it's here, this position. Then you can turn off the vacuum pump and turn off the heater and then transfer the syrup into the storage tank. How to transfer? Open this transfer pump and the syrup will go to the storage tank from the cooker. And then after finish transfer, you can close it. In the same time, you have to open the storage and stir, okay? And the storage stir temperature should be 80 centigrade, okay? And then we can transfer the discharge pump. Turn on the discharge pump, then the syrup will go to the depositor. Okay, go to a depositor and operate the depositor. Okay.